Hi, it's Emily with Layel Cakes. I'm making a pumpkin roll that I adapted using my grams recipe to make it vegan and gluten-free friendly. Between her and my great-grandmother Ma, there are plenty of family recipes that get passed around this time of year for the holidays. When I was craving her pumpkin roll, I thought I'd take a swing at it and make a version using alternative ingredients that still achieved that tender pumpkin spiced cake and cream filling. I'm mixing the flaxseed egg mixture into the pumpkin puree, veggie oil, and brown sugar. I try to incorporate fresh ginger any chance I can get. It's that special ingredient that adds a zing of spice and tang to elevate the dessert flavor profile. Once it's incorporated, mix in with the dry ingredients until you have a smooth batter. I was really excited to make this dessert this year because it will just be my gram and I for Thanksgiving, so I've been making lots of sentimental recipes that will bring back really wonderful memories. Pour and smooth on a sheet pan that is greased and parchment lined. Keep in mind you'll be rolling this cake up, so thinner and smoother the easier. While the cake is baking, I'll make a walnut praline with toasted chopped walnuts and a delicious brown sugar caramel. Spread it out on a sheet tray to bake off for that extra burnt caramel flavor and crunch. Once the cake has set and is still slightly warm, but cool enough not to melt the icing, spread a thin layer of the orange cream on top of the cake. The orange cream is my take on the traditional cream cheese icing. It will add an extra surprise flavor along with the spices and pumpkin. Sprinkle the chopped walnut praline to add a sweet, salty crunch that will balance out the other textures. Gently and slowly roll the cake up with the icing. You'll have to have some patience with this, but the cake is so soft that I skipped the initial roll and refrigeration that traditional pumpkin rolls call for. I did have a few cracks in mine, but I honestly don't mind them. I think it adds a little extra character to it. So if that happens with yours, no worries. Once your cake is rolled with the icing, refrigerate it to set it up, which will make it easier to handle while you're trimming the ends and transferring it onto a plate. Finish off with a dusting of powdered sugar that gives it a beautiful winter snow effect. Make sure to save some extra praline so you can put it around the plate and serve it with the slices. This is the perfect dessert to make for company or to enjoy on your own. It pairs really well with coffee and can be served for breakfast or dinner. I hope you're able to stay healthy, warm, and enjoy the holidays wherever and whoever you may be spending them with. Thank you so much for watching.